Welcome to our next video on English expressions. Here is our first image. Did you recognize the expression? The expression is still waters run deep. This expression describes someone who doesn't talk much and presumably hides his complex thoughts on the matter. The explanation also can be used for people who are quiet or shy, but are often very intelligent and interesting. Our first example is, though Maria seldom expresses her thoughts in class, I'm sure that still waters run deep. Our second example is, my mum just shows that still waters run deep. She has such a calm, mild attitude, but she's incredibly complex and passionate. You just have to know her well to see this different side. The expression in this image is take the bull by the horns. Sounds as if you need strong muscles. It means that to deal decisively with a difficult problem, you're not waiting for a solution, but you are handling the situation. Here's our first example. The government will now have to take the bull by the horns and tackle COVID. And our second example, if you want to change the situation, then go ahead and grab the bull by the horns. Time for our last image. The expression is, burn your bridges behind you. This meaning is, you do something with an action that makes it impossible to return to the earlier situation. For example, I don't sell my house because I don't know how long I would stay here. I didn't want to burn all my bridges. And our second example is, today, Brittany told her boss what she thinks of him. I guess she burned all her bridges. That's the end of this series, and we'll always end with a few important remarks. First, don't forget to subscribe to our English expressions series. Second, please leave comments. Maybe you have other good examples, or perhaps you know the equivalent expressions in, for instance, French or Spanish or maybe Chinese. And we love to hear how you teach expressions. All comments are welcome. And please inform your colleagues about this new series with Kaboons and use the link below to see what our shop has to offer. And finally, here's a new picture, and we will tell you what this expression means next time. Love you! See you next time.